So today we're going to be chatting about effectively managing a PLC-5 migration. What you'll expect to see, or the way this is going to go through, is we're going to talk about a little bit about myself, and then we'll get into the basics around Allen Bradley PLCs and upgrading from the PLC-5s. Why you'd want to migrate from a PLC-5 to a newer system, and ways to do that, and then how a PLC-5 migration to the control logic system would play out. And at the end, we'll have about 15 minutes for questions, as long as I don't talk too long. About me, my name's Wes Babcock. I'm from Fort St. John, BC. I came to AutoPro in 2013, where we opened the Fort St. John office. My experience is around industrial automation, instrumentation, electrical, specifically around field services in the Fort St. John area. Our office in Fort St. John is about 4 people strong, doing day-to-day automation in various industrial facilities. AutoPro and Rockwell. AutoPro has been very pleased to have joined up with Rockwell to become a recognized system integrator. That's new to AutoPro this year. What that means for us is that we have a supportive relationship with Rockwell and AutoPro for sales and service. Rockwell deems us competent to work on their products, and they have a link for our customers and their customers to find us on their website. Allen Bradley PLC-5s and upgrading your PLC-5. Why would you want to upgrade? Well, the issue with PLC-5s is that while they're very strong, very robust, they're becoming so that they're no longer available. And that means that we're forced to upgrade. They were developed in 1986, and they have a very large install base, and currently still installed throughout all of Western Canada. The thing about them is that they're reliable. They don't break. And when they do break, well, there's pretty good support. But that support is becoming less and less as years go on. So we have to move to current technology. Current Allen Bradley technologies there's a multitude of them. But if you're going for a large system, the control logic system is probably the best direction to go. It's mostly expandable and has the highest horsepower, per se, of all the systems available out there. As I said, Rockwell's, the PLC-5 system is now obsolete, and there's, in future slides here, you'll have a link to see how your PLC-5 is supported. As time goes on, more of the PLC-5 models are being added to the obsolete list, so they're no longer available. Well, another benefit for moving, so we can talk about benefits now for moving to a newer system. Well, you have the ability to update your system architecture. You have other programming languages that you can use. PLC-5s are limited to ladder logic, where now we have the ability to do function blocks or structured text if you want, which may be a benefit for you and your facility.